Look at this sunrise, just beautiful. You really have time to think here. Your mind is empty, it's free, it's connected, and still there's a lot going through my head right now about making decisions, achievement, progress, about reaching any goal you want in life. It's all a decision. We are part of all that. We are part of all those things here. It's not that this is separated from us. We separated from us. So all this is real if you decide it to be real. And any single idea, any single dream you have in your life, anything you can imagine, as Pablo Picasso said, is real. It's up on you. What do you do to make these dreams come true? What do you do to achieve those goals? The things that you was dreaming about when you was a child. I mean, if you think back, like years ago when you was a child, do you remember what your dreams were? Now, if you do, think about it. What happened? What happened to your dreams? Did you achieve them? It's time to get back to your dreams. It's time to start believing again into your dreams, because someone out there destroyed what you have in your heart, what you dreamed of. Someone out there made the choices for you, consciously or subconsciously. It's time for you to rise. It's time for you to live and create the life that you deserve, the life that you can live because you decide to live it. For now, I go on. Enjoy the process. Stay healthy and love your life. Peace out.